Hello students, IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. I for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is a systematic name of any organic compound. IUPAC International Union of Pure and Applied. This is a systematic and proper name of any organic compound. There are some rules. There are total 4 rules. First rule, select longest chain or parent chain. Select longest chain or parent chain. First rule. Suppose there are total 4 carbon. Then numbering on this basis, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and 4 carbon. There are total 4 carbon. It is a parent chain. Parent chain. The parent chain total 4 carbon means it is an example of butane. Butane having 4 carbon. First, second, third and fourth. Same way there are total one. This example having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. It is the longest chain. So it attached with this methyl group. It is a branch form. But we select first rule, select longest chain. This is the first rule of IUPAC. Now this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Means it is example of butane, which having carbon-carbon single bond. Now next structure having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. Then it is select longest chain, parent chain, which having 5 carbon means it is example of pentane, straight chain. When we use a second rule, numbering on the basis of nearest position of substituent. Suppose कौन सा भी substituent attach रहेगा, then numbering on this side. Now example, select second rule, select nomenclature on the basis of nearest position of substituent. We follow, suppose attach of methyl group. Attach of methyl group. We numbering from, it is a left hand side and this is a right hand side. Right hand side and left hand side. Students, numbering on the basis of suppose nearest position of substituent, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Select longest chain, but attach of methyl group at second position of carbon from left hand side. And another structure, some numbering on right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also 5 carbon, but attach of methyl group from, we just numbering from right hand side, then methyl group position 4. Our second rule, it is a numbering numbering on the basis of nearest position of substituents. Nearest, which position? Nearest position of substituents. Therefore prefer this is a right way, then its name 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane, because at second position attach of methyl group and 5 carbon means pentane. This is a right way and proper way. Next similar structure, we are numbering from left hand side 1, 2, 3 and 4. From right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4. This, in this structure 2 is nearest position than third. Therefore numbering prefer from left hand side. Numbering prefer from left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4. Its name CH3 means methyl, means 2-methyl, 4 carbon means butane. Its name 2-methyl butane. Now another similar structure, numbering from right hand side, because methyl attach at second position. When we numbering from left hand side, then methyl attach at 4th position, and there are total 5 carbon. Therefore we numbering from right hand side, it is the nearest position of substituents and total number of carbon 5 means pentane. Its name 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane. It is a right way or proper way to write the IUPAC name. If third rule, more than similar identical substituent attached. When two substituents identical, then it is a di. Then 3, then tri. 4, then tetra. 5, then penta. When 2 means di, 3 means tri, 4 means tetra. When identical substituent attached or groups attached. Now example. Student, look this example. Numbering. First rule, select longest chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now on second position, 2 position having methyl group, another same position 2 having methyl group. There are 2 methyl group, therefore it is an example of dimethyl. And select longest chain, first rule, there are total 4 carbon, means butane. Therefore its name 2,2 dimethyl butane. 2,2 dimethyl butane. Another similar structure. Now first rule, select longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Both having same nearest position of substituent. You just write down numbering from left hand side also same and right hand side also same. Then you just your point of view numbering from left hand side. At second position attach of methyl group. Another third position also attach of methyl group. Both substituents same, means it is a dimethyl. Means first write down the position of methyl group. At this is second position, this is the third position, and total number of carbon 4 means butane. Therefore its name 2,3 dimethyl butane. It is a systematic name of this compound, 2,3 dimethyl butane. Now next structure, numbering 1, 2, 3. Total carbon means 3 means propane. Attach a methyl group at second position. Attach a methyl group as second position. Therefore its name 2-methyl propane. Its name 2-methyl propane. Write down students. 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane. It is a IUPAC name of following example. When you learn about the homologous series, first carbon means CH4 methane, 2 carbon means ethane, C2H6, homologous series. Third carbon means propane, 4 carbon means butane. Now 4 carbon means butane. In this structure, it is all having carbon-carbon single bond. Therefore its suffix ane. This is a suffix ane, presence of carbon-carbon single bond. Now attach of methyl group. This example having attach of methyl group. Suppose attach of methyl group CH3 CH3. It is in a prefix. Prefix means आगे. Some suffix means पीछे. Then same already we discussed this example, numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4 at 2, 2. We already discussed this example. Its name 2,3 dimethyl butane. Attach of methyl group at second position and third position. Students, look this another example. There are total 6 carbon. Then select longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At now third position having attach of methyl group. Attach of methyl group. Therefore its name 3-methyl hexane. Therefore its name 3-methyl hexane. Same kind of another example. Now this structure having total number of carbon. This is the nearest position, therefore numbering from right hand side. There are total number of carbon. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means heptane. 7 means heptane structure, students. And at second position and third position attach of methyl group. Therefore its name 2,3 dimethyl heptane. Its name 2,3 dimethyl heptane. 7 carbon means heptane. Now presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Then this ANE substitute chain to ENE. Then ANE substitute chain to ENE. Presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Now numbering from nearest first rule, select longest chain 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon, this structure. At second position, attach of double bond, therefore its name but 2ene, but 2ene, or also known as a 2-butene, because double bond present at second position. It is a position of double bond. At which position? Then in this structure there are two positions, therefore 2-butene or 2-butene 2ene. In this, ane is sufficient to ene because presence of double bond. Now another example, suppose CH3 CH double bond CH2. There are total 3 carbon, therefore numbering 1 2 3. 3 carbon means propane, but presence of double bond ane is sufficient to ene, ane is sufficient to ene, therefore its name 1-propene, its name 1-propene or prop 1ene. Now similar example, now draw this example. There are total number of carbon, numbering from left hand side because double bond present on nearest position, therefore numbering 1 2 3 4 and 5. There are total 5 carbon and attach of methyl group and also ene double bond, therefore just write down first 3 methyl, it is in a prefix. Double bond present at second position, therefore पेन 2ene, its name, इसका नेम क्या रहेगा 3 methyl 2 pentene और पेन 2ene. Now similar example, CH2 double bond CH2 CH3. Draw students this example and number of carbon 1 2 3 and 4. There are total 4 carbon means butane, but presence of double bond ane is sufficient to ene. Their position at 1, therefore 1-butene or but 1ene, 1-butene or but 1ene. Another similar example, now change the double bond position, CH3 CH double bond CH double bond CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. They are total number of carbon 4 and double bond position at second position, therefore its name but 2ene or 2-butene, its name 2-butene. So now draw this example. There are total 4 carbon 1 2 3 4 and double bond present at second position, therefore its name 2-butene or but 2ene. In alkene, 2 carbon means ethene, 3 carbon means propene, propene is third member, butene means 4 member, 4 carbon, presence of at least one double bond, ane is sufficient to ene, presence of double bond. Now this structure having total number of carbon 1 2 and 3 and presence of one triple bond, therefore ane is sufficient to yne, presence of triple bond at first position. There are total number of carbon 4, therefore its name prop 1yne or 1-propyne. Also write down this way, 1-propyne नहीं तो prop 1yne. In this, ane is sufficient to yne, presence of triple bond. Now similar structure. Now students, next structure, select longest chain. First rule, 1 2 3 carbon and 4 carbon. There are total 4 carbon means butane, but presence of triple bond ane is sufficient to yne, then its name but 1yne or 1-butyne, its name but 1yne or 1-butyne, presence of triple bond, carbon carbon triple bond, ane is sufficient to yne. Now next structure having presence of total number of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 carbon. There are total 4 carbon. Valence carbon 4. CH3 C triple bond C CH3. Then its name but 2-yne because there are total number of carbon 4 means butane and presence of triple bond at second position. Therefore its name but 2-yne. But 2-yne. Now this is the R group means alkyl group. Alkyl group general formula CnH2n plus 1. It is a less than 1 hydrogen. Then in this alkyl having less than 1 hydrogen. Then alkane. Suppose n is equal to, put the value of n is equal to 1, then C1H3 CH3. It is a, in this alkyl this is a suffix. In alkane this suffix change to yl, then it convert to methyl. CH3 means methyl, C2H5 means ethyl, C3H7 means propyl, C4H9 means butyl. It is a less 1 hydrogen less than alkane, therefore it convert to alkyl. Then 1 carbon means CH3 means methyl, CH3 means methyl, C2H5 means ethyl. Also write this way, CH3 single bond CH2 this way, ethyl group. Then C3H7 means propyl, CH3 CH2 CH2, butyl means C4H9, butyl C4H9, methyl CH3, ethyl. Then next we already discussed this. Presence are R group alkyl general formula CnH2n plus 1. Students write down up to 5 all this example. Triple bond means yn is change its suffix, an is suffix change to yn because presence of triple bond. Then an is suffix also change, presence of double bond, it convert to ene alkene. Presence of single bond, then alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Then alkene CnH2n, then alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Students draw this table, write down this alkane, alkene, alkynes and alkyl up to 5 carbon. Now some function group attached to ring, to carbon open chain compound. Suppose CH3 CH2OH, presence of OH group means alcohol. This is the alcohol function group OH. Then alcohol means there are in suffix, when alkane this E suffix change to OL convert to alcanol. Now this is a name alcanol for alkane. There are total carbon 2, 1 and 2. Therefore it is a example of ethane. And E suffix change to OL because presence of OH group. Then its name ethanol. Then its name ethanol. And its common name ethyl alcohol. Its common name ethyl alcohol. And IUPAC name ethanol. Similar we also example same kind of, there are total 3 carbon 1, 2, 3 and attach of OH group. Then numbering 1, 2 and 3. 3 carbon means propane and E suffix change to OL because presence of OH group. Therefore its name 1-propanol or propane 1-OL all. Now similar structure, it is a position of OH group, 1 position, therefore 1-propanol. Now similar example, now CH3 CH CH3, numbering students 1, 2 and 3. At second position of OH group attached. It is a propane. 3 carbon means propane. At second position of OH group means 2OL. Its name 2-propanol or propane 2-ol. 2-propanol or propane 2-ol. Similar structure. Now this example, there are total carbon. Draw 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon and 4 carbon. OH group attached at first position and total number of carbon 4. 4 means butane. In that E suffix chain to OL. Position of OH group at first. Therefore its name 1-butanol or butane 1-ol. Butane 1-ol. Another example similar. There are total carbon 1, 2 and 3. At second position attach of methyl group and first position of attach of alcoholic group. Therefore its name 2-methyl 1-propanol or propane 1-ol. Also write this way. When attach of alkyl, when X group to alkane, X group means chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine, halogen atom. Then Cl convert into chloro, Br convert into bromo, iodine convert into iodo. Now select, this is example, draw. Therefore 1, 2 and 3 carbon. Select longest chain. At second position attach of methyl group. At second position also attach of methyl group. Our IUPAC fourth rule, which is on the basis of alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, first come B, then M. Therefore its name 2-bromo, 2-methyl and total number of carbon 4. Total number carbon 3. 3 means propane. 3 means propane. Fourth rule, which is on the basis of alphabetical order. First rule, select longest chain. Second rule, nearest position of substituents. Third rule, similar substituent, then di. 3 then 2 means di, 3 then tri, 4 means tetra. Now fourth rule, which is on the basis of alphabetical order. Then B come first in bromo, therefore 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. Now similar example. Now this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. Attach of Br at second position, attach of Cl at fourth position. Then suppose B come first in alphabetical order, therefore 2-bromo, 4-chloro, hexane. Total number of carbon 6 means hexane. 2-bromo, 4-chloro, hexane, its name. Now next structure. There are total 1, 2 and 3 carbon. Attach of Cl at second position. Therefore its name 2-chloropropane. Its name 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane. Now aldehyde. Aldehyde means presence of CHO group. In E suffix chain to OL. In alkane E suffix chain to OL. Then it convert to alkanal. It convert to alkanal. It convert to alkanal. Only 1 carbon then methanol, 2 carbon then ethanol. Now suppose structure CH3CHO. There are total number of carbon 2, 1 and 2. 2 carbon means ethane. 2 carbon means ethane. And presence of aldehyde group CHO. Then it convert to ethanol. Its name ethanol. Suppose there are total 3 carbon. Now total 3 carbon, CH3, CH2, CHO. There are total 3 carbon. Then its name 1 numbering, 2 numbering and 3 numbering. There are total 3 carbon. Then 3 carbon means propane. Then its name propanol. Propanol. E suffix chain to Al, convert to aldehyde, fusions of aldehyde group. Propanol. 3 carbon means butanol. Next example, ketone. This is a present example of ketone. R C double bond O R. At least 3 carbon required for ketone. Now numbering in ketone. Now nomenclature. In ketone, E sufficient to aldehyde, E sufficient to 1, then it convert into alcanone. E निकाल के क्या लगाने वाले 1, it convert to alcanone. In this example there are total 1 2 3 4 5 carbon. There are total 5 carbon. Now 5 carbon. 5 carbon means pentane. 5 carbon means pentane. In presence of ketonic group, there are ketonic group, presence of ketonic group, then E suffix change to 1, then it convert to pentanone. But position of ketonic group at second, therefore its name 2-pentanone or pentane 2-1. Its name 2-pentanone or pentane 2-1. Its name 2-pentanone or pentane 2-1. It is a ketonic group. Similar another example, there are total 4 carbon 1 2 3 and 4. At second position attach of CO, therefore its name 2-butanone or butane 2-1. Butane 2-1, because CO attached at second position. CO attached at second position. Ketonic group. Next, carboxylic acid. Then presence of carboxylic acid is sufficient to oic acid. Is sufficient to oic acid. There are total number of carbon 1 2 3 4. At second position attach of ethyl group C2H5. Therefore its name 2-ethyl 1-butanoic acid. 1-butanoic acid is sufficient to oic acid. Presence of carboxylic group. Presence of carboxylic group C double bond O OH group. It is a IUPAC name of organic compound.